Hey, today we are going to cook your Filipino dish adobo, but we got to put a little twist to it. We're going to add some bacon, and we're going to cook it over biryani rice. You know, the biryani, the basmati rice, but it's going to be a what do you call that? Like a biryani style, what you want to call it. But what we're going to do is we're going to put some chicken thigh, chicken legs, chicken gizzard, chicken liver. Boom, and deliciousness bacon. Bam! Right there. You got that? Alright. Okay. What we're going to do before anything else is we're going to transfer this bacon goodness into a pan. And what are we going to do is put that right in there. Bam. You know, because we're going to use that. You know, don't waste that bacon grease, because that's a bacon goodness. You know what I mean? That's what you want. You want to save that. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put that in there. Bam. Those bacon. Man, those are smelling good. It's smelling good. I can smell it. I can smell it. Those are really good. They're really good. And what are we gonna do? Why am I doing this? Because I'm gonna use this grease to bake my chicken liver. So right here, it's already been washed and everything. So what we're gonna do with that would be I'm gonna put a little salt in it just for the taste. Bam, bam, bam. That's what it is, like that. All right, I'm gonna put it right in there. Spread them on that deliciousness bacon grease in it. And what are we gonna do is I'm gonna basically bake it in the oven for about I don't know, maybe 10 minutes or something like that. But we want that liver to be soaking that delicious goodness bacon grease in there. So, and it's already set up to 375. You know what? I'm gonna turn it up to like 395 or something like that. You know, put right in there. Oh, this is a little hot. I'm looking for a. Oh, there it's right here. Thought I lost my mitten. The mitten. Always have a mitten. The mitten is really that's your friend right there. Alright, so we put that right in there. Set it for like maybe 10-15 minutes. Just keep an eye on it and how long it's going to be. And then while we wait that, we're going to season that. We're going to dice up those potatoes. You know, your, what do you call that? Garlic. You know, and everything else is going to be put together. So stay tuned right there. We're going to be the next steps. Oh yeah, we're going to soak this. Alright, so what we're going to do is we got a hot oil going on right now. Then what we're going to do this. This is your garlic. You know, you can't have enough garlic. You got to put some garlic in there. That's your main ingredients when you're making adobo. So we're going to make adobo first, and then we're going to make the basmati rice right over there. It's soaking right now. So that's what's going to happen. Put that in. Onion. The delicious bacon goodness. A little simmer there a little bit. Get it all cooked and rice and sauteed and everything like that. Then we're gonna put chicken in it. I like to mix with parsley and a little bit of mint in there because I like that. Because this is me. Boom. Then we're going to put chicken in it, for sure. Okay, so here's the chicken. You know, we have that chicken leg and chicken thigh. You know, I added some of those chicken gizzards in there. Kids don't like it, but hey, I get to eat them. More for me. But this is already marinated with, you know, your ingredients for the adobo, which is the soy sauce and the vinegar. You know, salt and pepper to taste. And I'm going to add more later on as we cook them. So that's got to go in there. So here we go. Okay, so this is the basmati rice. We have the boiling water over here. We put some a little seasoning in it, also oil, a little salt to taste. So we're gonna do that right here. What you're gonna do is, you know, like I said earlier, to or in my previous video that all you have to do is cook them to about like 60 to 70% cooked, and then we're going to pull them out, and eventually we're going to finish it up cooking it on top of that adobo rice. So this is what I have. This is a soy sauce, about a cup of soy sauce, and about a cup and a half of vinegar, because that's what I like my adobo a little sour on the sour side. Some prefers like salty than sour, but I like it a little bit of sour, so I gotta put a little bit more vinegar on it. But you can also tweak that. You can put more soy sauce and add more salt if you want it a little saltier. Of course, that's common sense. So what we're gonna do is put them right over there, and what we're gonna do is just let them boil, let it cook that goodness, bacon and chicken and everything, liver and stuff. Liver is actually, we're gonna put them right, it's over there, right there. So we gotta put them right in there later on. So, and my rice is being cooked right now, so that's pretty good. Okay, so one more ingredient I want to put in there. This is pretty much like cooked. I want to put potatoes in it. Potatoes. So I love them potatoes. What we're gonna do is just put them right there, let it cook, and then we'll put the rice on top of it. Voila! Okay, now we're gonna put the basmati rice. We're gonna put it right in there. Okay, it's gonna go like something like this. Oh, wait a minute. Spread them up right here. Spread them up, spread them up, spread them up. We're gonna start putting this in there. This is my liver. Put that in there. Put that in there. Chicken liver. Chicken liver. Chicken liver. Chicken liver. Alright. And then continue putting on top of it. There's plenty of rice here, so it's probably good for the next couple of days, huh? Yeah, so it's pretty cold. Put that in there. And we gotta let it cook. And we gotta do little onion flakes. Like that. Onion flakes in it. Alright, and we're gonna let it sit there we're gonna let it simmer. A little simmer. Simmer down now. Simmer down now. Okay? Alright. After about, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes, and then you let it simmer, and everything should be cooked. And this is the finished product. Look at that. There's one thing in there. Okay, so yeah, this is the liver, and right in there, deep in there, it's your adobo. Yeah, boy, look at that. And the chicken should be right there. There. So this is what I like, is it already had some, some adobo juice and on them. It's pretty good. We can try them out. Try this one. First time is the first. Paul is gonna try. Taste, eat the adobo, get some meat in there, and then put it in your mouth and and tell me how it tastes. Doug says, Like it? Alright, give a thumbs up. Now what do you want to say?
Subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's called Paul's channel now.
Paul's channel is your channel.
How do you spell that?
MKST, 2 O's, NPAUL.
Channel.
And then that thing,
Mm-hmm.
and S, and
The process. Yeah. Okay.
And then
So,
channel.
all right, good. What about you, Luana? Did you taste it yet? Go ahead and taste it. See what. All right. Good. All right. She's speechless. All right. What about you, mommy? You like it?
Mm-hmm.
All right. It tastes like adobo with
Yes, that's right.
with
Yeah, chicken.
basmati rice.
Yes. I heard you put bacon in here. I'm looking forward to tasting that.
There's bacon inside of potatoes. You're gonna like that.
Ooh.
All right.
I like
Thank you. We'll see ya.